What's going on, guys? Bruce here at Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. Things are looking very good today. Positive on the charts, green all across the board. A lot of good news. Before we get into it, before we get into some chart analysis, which is very important as well, and whether we should be excited or not right now. But before we get into that, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because you never know what update is going to be a huge help. All right. At the end of the day, we're all in this together. We're all aiming for the same thing. We all want to be bullish as we should be, guys. But always don't forget the information we share here is strictly entertainment and education. It is not financial advice. All right. So make sure you do your own due diligence. Be safe out there. Be careful out there in these crazy crypto spaces. But there's definitely profits to be made. So without further ado, let's get right to the bag. So here we go. Shiba Inu, guys, green across the board, 120% positive for 24-hour volume, which is really good. We'd love to see numbers like that. Let's take a look at the news. So far, I realized that a lot of whales have been really dumping more into Shiba, like they know what's going on. Rumors of a Robinhood announcement in February. We're in February, so let's see what happens. Shiba Inu, we know whales control 26% of total supply of token. Here's how it might be bullish, right? Shiba Inu Chainlink games and price analysis, blah, blah, blah. 18.8 million Shiba burned in the last 24 hours. And this was literally reported a day ago. So this is part of the reasons why you see price going up as well, is because of the burn that's going on that we also been talking about for quite so much time now with these videos that are talking about the burn, right? We've been new about the burn. Bullish Robinhood, right? See, I think the Robinhood's going to be announced this month. Can't wait. I think we're going to see a lot of these coins start to pick back up really soon. Like I said, somewhere around towards the end of the first quarter. But if it happens towards the middle of the first quarter, hey, even better. Now let's take a look at the holders and see what's going on here, how our numbers are looking over here. Of course, it's bullish. And of course, we're making leaps. You know, we're seeing big leaps again, leaps. 1,000 new holders, over 1,000 new holders. We definitely want to get back to our 10K a day ways, but obviously that was early when the hype was really there and there wasn't so many holders. Now we're well past a million and strong and just consistently growing, just consistently bullish here. And we have whales that are clearly still believing in the project more so. And that's why they keep adding to their bag. So, why you just gotta follow what big money's doing, right? How did I know the market was gonna crash? Well, they took money out the stock market. And look at what the big guys are doing. What are they doing? How are they moving their money around? Once you start to look at that, kind of get an idea what's really going on and what you should maybe be doing, right? At the end of the day, you still want to be smart and you still want to do your own diligence, but it's good to watch what big money is doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart of Shiba Inu, guys. So this is where we are right now. We got a current buy signal being called with some divergence in this area. And that's why we saw from this area, we see bullish movement because we are at a support level, retesting a previous area as well, previous strong resistance level. And now we're here, right? Reacting off it. But, should we be excited? I still see a trend. I still see a trend. I still see a lower low. I still see a lower high. I still believe we're on a downtrend. If we want to look at the daily and the 4-hour chart, we're still considered a downtrend. Now, I'll get really excited when I actually start to see this thing break out of the trend and start to really break out of this next resistance level here of quad 032 area. When I see this thing go back into the quad 0 mid 30s and 40s, then I'm really excited that, we're probably really going to get back into this bull run, this momentum. Got a buy signal being called right now, too. It's actually beautiful. Currently in a buy as a day trader. Forex brokers now have Shiba Inu listed like Osprey. It's pretty cool. So you could trade it as a Forex trader. And yeah, it is currently breaking out of this smaller resistance level, which is great. That's what you would want to see. So I do believe that it could break and maybe come back and retest, maybe even retest right here, maybe one more time before coming and testing this next level, which is what we would want to see, right? And then if it does retest this level, we're looking good. We're in better position, better condition than previously, obviously. And then, of course, what we really want to see is it start to break through and head towards this next resistance level, next area up there, around quad 040, guys. A lot of buy signals down here, a lot of buying momentum building down here, and that's why we see this breakout that happened. Right here was the breakout, actually more of a breakout right here, and then a retest, and a quick jump, right? Moonshot, we call it over here in the bullish currency community. Yeah, we have clear breakout here happen. Very clear breakout, even somewhat of a double bottom pattern right there as well. Yeah, and we have patterns down here boiling and building up that I teach here in the bullish currency community. Some basic patterns, nothing that you can't learn for free on YouTube. But I guess everybody teaches it in their own way and uses it in their own way. So yeah, we are very bullish right now. Currently on the hourly candle, we are bearish. This will close 17 minutes, but it's not even a bearish engulfing candle, and not yet. At least we'll see how it looks in 17 minutes. But we, like, for example, in 17 minutes, if this candle picks back up and closes as a small bear body, or even smaller than what it is right now, that's pretty much telling me that the bears are not ready to take over, and the bulls are probably going to continue. But if this closes as a strong bear, then obviously, the bears are trying to take over. Maybe we could start to see this retracement to retest down here, but it's not guaranteed yet, especially the way this last bull candle closed really strong. So really need to see how this candle closes in 17 minutes. But I wouldn't be surprised, based on what I see, that it actually closes a little bit higher as a small bear with a small body, and the next candle ends up picking up as bullish to continue the momentum. That would be phenomenal. I think a lot of buyers are rolling in right now too. They're seeing what's going on, and they see that as good timing. They see that whales are dumping more in, so here comes all the little guys as well saying, "Hey, man, let's dump more in." So I think overall, we're in a better position, and that's good. But should we be completely, like, excited? Like, oh my God, yes, we're back to our bullish ways. I wouldn't say not yet. Not yet. We haven't made a higher high. We still made a lower low. So let's see. I think this next daily candle or two is very crucial, so that we can see what really happens here. What's going to happen here? Is it going to just react and this is just a retest, and it's just going to start dropping right back down here to continue the trend? Or is it actually going to pick more momentum up and start to really break through this little resistance area here? That's what we want to see for those who are wanting bullish momentum. But overall, where we are on the price chart, I think is a very safe area. This is a very strong critical level here, and that's why we respected it and we haven't went lower. So I do believe that there is a chance we come back and retest, for sure. There always is. But as of right now, we're doing better than what we were. It's bullish. We're looking bullish. I got bullish confirmation still on smaller and larger time frames. So I'm bullish. I'm bullish for Shiba, always have been. And you know what? This could just be a great opportunity based on where we are right now, guys. But that's it for Shiba Inu update. Guys, be careful out there. Don't just get excited because something goes a little bullish and you start going crazy with it. Be smart, be wise, pay attention. All right. Look at the next two candles. I'll drop an update by then. Until then, guys, stay blessed and stay bullish.